good pitch to it, honestly. They sound good. Dude, I'm telling you, that sound is really refined. You're really trying to change my mind into getting into Porsches, right?
Oh, in that case.
Everybody, and welcome back to another video. So today we're out with the Exotics Network once again, helping out for media. We're covering drone duty once again. We're out with my friend Mitch right here. He's driving this absolutely insane Porsche. This thing sounded ridiculous on the road. Dude, I want to say a big thank you basically for giving me a ride out here. It's such a crazy car. I love it.
This is a casual straight pipe 911. I mean,
dude, it's so awesome. If y'all want to check out his page, it's right there, MT Paradise. Y'all can check him out on Instagram and YouTube. He does some absolutely insane videos. But right now we're basically gonna check out the rest of the show. There's some cars already leaving, so I don't want to miss out on everything that's here. So let's get started. Hopefully it gets even crazier. All right, guys, so the cool thing about today is it looks like we might have a few twin turbo cars. We have this Huracan right here that has a super crazy setup, as y'all can see right there. I guess it's like 4K something. I'm guessing that's the company. And then we also have another one that is twin turboed way down over there. It has a huge wing. I'll show it to y'all in a bit. But we also have a whole lot of Porsches basically down all right here, mixed up with a few other cars as well. We have McLarens right here, Ferraris, a crazy Dodge Viper right here, and then a McLaren right there trying to squeeze through all the cars. I'm not sure if they're basically just adjusting his parking or if he's getting out of here, but let's check out this crazy Huracan that I said. Check it out. So from what Mitch said is that it might have carbon fiber basically all the way around the car, and y'all can see carbon at least right here and on basically like the back fenders, looking super duper crazy. But as a wild body kit, it is super duper wide, as y'all can see. As a twin turbo kit out back, running a really crazy roof scoop as well. These cars, I swear, they're absolutely insane. Has some wild wheels as well. Hopefully we can see more of these cars down in Texas tomorrow, because I think right now is just basically like the startup. Tomorrow is when the main rally is gonna be. It's gonna get even crazier, so y'all definitely want to stick around. It looks like we're having a whole lot of really wild and a big variety of cars. At least we have 4GT, Huracans, Audi R8s, 812s, Dodge Vipers with Golf liveries over there. We also have a 4GT, BC, Revuelto, and then a whole lot of really crazy cars. So like I said, y'all definitely want to stick around. All right, guys, so we just had this white Bugatti from out in the valley. I think it's more south of San Antonio where this guy's from. Crazy that he drove it all the way up here. It's for this absolutely insane event. I'm telling y'all, some people are driving out from super far away just for this crazy The Exotics Network event. If y'all haven't checked out their page, definitely be sure that y'all do, because they are growing insanely big. They're doing some wild events in the Central Texas area, and they're also expanding out to different places as well, going across country. So y'all definitely want to check them out, because I'm telling y'all, they are doing some very big events. Check it out. It looks like we have a black Revuelto that sounds pretty damn good. Not sure if it has an exhaust system. These areas right here are getting super tight with all the cars already, but hopefully they could squeeze this Revuelto through. Hopefully we can hear it as well. fast on this thing. All right, guys, so it looks like AB's Aventadors might be started. Oh my God. We're definitely gonna want to go with this group right now. Alright guys, so that was pretty much AB's whole group that was rolling out. I think that was his SV and the SVJ as well that he owns. Super duper crazy and loud cars. Right here we have Gigi Papasava's insane McLaren Senna. Not sure if it's hers, her boyfriend's, or what, but this car looks like it's been freaking hammered. Check out the wrap. The wrap is absolutely beat basically everywhere. Looks like this car is definitely driven. It has some red Alcantara seats, I think they are, or Alcantara padding at least, carbon seats. Has carbon fiber basically all the way around on the wing. Super duper crazy. Absolutely love this spec. We've never seen it before. I'm guessing it is from out of state. This lady I think is from California. I'm not sure, but I think she is. And we also have the EcoBoost 4 GT right here. We have some insane Revueltos. Yeah, it's just so damn crazy being able to see all the cars that are here today. Golly, dude, the specs on some of these cars are so wild. I'm not even sure if we're gonna be able to check them all out right now. Alright guys, it looks like the twin turbo cars are about to get started up. We got the first Huracan right here, and then we're about to have the second one heading out. There was already like 2 or 3 turbo cars that left. Hopefully we can hear these crazy cars, and hopefully we can see them shoot some nasty flames. If not, I'm pretty sure later on today or tomorrow we might still be able to see them. Right here we have a white F8 that's going to be participating tomorrow's rally, and we also have the absolutely insane and extremely rare Murcielago SV. This car looks so good. Damn, check out this STO. This thing's already leaving, but it looks so good. It looks like the McLaren Senna with Gigi Papasavas is leaving the show. It's weird seeing people taking photos of your cars whenever you're usually the media guy. That's so weird.
I know, right?
Bro, now anytime this man puts it into sport mode, I'm starting to pucker up, dude. Bro, I'm gonna take a camera to the face. No, I'm just saying I am if I don't hold on. so we just got to Mitch's hotel right here, and they basically have all the cars in the very low section. Have this crazy BC edition Lamborghini Revuelto. This is